Hello, in this video, I'll teach you how to pack your bags properly and the important things to put in your bag. First, prepare your backpack. Put extra clothes in your backpack. You must also have flashlight for the nighttime uses. Another thing is match or lighter, but in this video I use match. You must also have some medicine or first aid kit. Also sun protection for protection in sun rays. And importantly, you must have water for hydration. Stay hydrated. Food and your knife, so you have something to eat. Cell phone for emergency purposes, and also you can use it as your map or guide to your destination. Of course, plastic cellophane for covering your gadgets and electronic device when it rains, and for some other purposes also. Tent, so you have shelter. You can put it in a backpack, but mine is too big, so I need to carry it. It's all good. Let's get camping. Bye guys, and thank you for watching the video.